We're getting a look at what happened when a New Mexico man barricaded inside his home, threw a Molotov cocktail at police. That led to gunfire. A warning, what you're about to see and hear in this video sent to us by Farmington police is graphic. News 13's Courtney Allen has the video.
This scene in Farmington, featuring a Molotov cocktail and gunfire, all started last month when a woman called police saying her next-door neighbor, Humberto Vasquez, broke into her apartment.
We were sitting watching TV. He just opened our door. It was locked. Came in here with a gun, starting talking crap to both of us. I don't know why.
Police arrived, meeting Vasquez's family, who said he had mental health issues.
Where is he?
He's really upset right now. They're trying to calm him down.
It went downhill from there. Vasquez returned to his own apartment and barricaded himself inside, breaking windows and throwing shards of glass. Vasquez yelled back and forth with his family, who police say continually disrupted negotiations with the suspect.
Well, I've talked to you before, man. We're here to help you, all right?
The family refused to leave. Police kept trying to get Vasquez to come out.
And we want to make sure everybody's safe, including you, all right? Nobody wants to hurt you. Nobody wants to hurt anybody, okay? So,
hey, just come talk to us, man. You're not in trouble.
But the 46-year-old continued to wreak havoc on his own home, breaking more windows, throwing a handgun and gun magazine through them. Then he doused himself with gasoline, threatening to burn the place down.
In 30 years of policing, I have not seen a situation like this. One of the officers' uniforms was soaked with automotive fuel at the conclusion of this event.
Vasquez also threatened police. Vasquez finally did come out, throwing the Molotov cocktail right at police, prompting their gunfire. Courtney Allen, KRQE, News 13.
Vasquez was shot in the stomach but survived. Farmington police say he had another Molotov cocktail and 2 other homemade explosives inside his home.